Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Melanie. I'm a financial analyst and I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Today, we're gonna talk all about how to stop spending money. Everybody wants to save money. I have a lot of videos on saving money, on budgeting, on making passive income, on different income streams, all of that stuff. But if you spend up all the money that you earn, then you still aren't gonna have any money. So today, I'm gonna teach you how to stop spending money. These are a couple of tips, 8 tips to be exact, on how to stop spending money. Let's get into the video now. Number 1, make your finances first. Make them your first priority. Research has shown that when something is your first priority, that you are more likely to succeed because that is what you're focused on. For example, let's take 2 people. Person A wants to save $10,000. They also want to lose 30 pounds and they want to learn 2 languages. And they're going to be doing this all at once. But person B, their focus is to save $10,000. And they don't have any other focuses for that time period in their life. Who is the most likely to achieve their goal? Not just one goal or 2, but to achieve their goal. It's actually person B because they have one priority and one main focus. When we try to do 15 different things, we only do them halfway and we don't finish them all the way. Research has shown that when you focus on one main goal, that goal is the one that's accomplished. Don't multitask 100 different things when you're trying to budget or when you're trying to focus and drill down in saving a certain dollar amount. Focus on your finances, make them one of your priorities, make finances your priority. Number 2, monitor your daily expenses. So monitor your spending daily. Like look at your budget from morning to night, look at how much you spent and what you spent it on. This will be easier for you to catch wasteful spending the very next day. Research has also shown that people who are trying to lose weight, that weigh themselves every day, or they take pictures and try to monitor how their body is changing or how they're losing weight, those are the people that actually accomplish their goal in the set time. Because again, they're focused on their goal, they're monitoring their progress, and they're looking at where they're lacking, and they're able to change and step up their goal. So for finances, definitely look into your finances every day, look at your budget every day, and look at your spending every day. Number 3, use the cost of food to your advantage. Right now, we are in a period of inflation, especially when it comes to food at the grocery store. So use this to your advantage. If you want to save money on food, do a meal plan. This is how you cut down on costs. This is how you don't waste food. And this is how you don't eat out. Obviously, we know eating out costs more than going to the grocery store and cooking it yourself. So right now, when you're trying to budget or you're trying to save, specifically when you're trying to stop spending money, do grocery shopping and do a meal plan before you grocery shop. Number 4, discretionary fund. Just put money in this fund that you want to use for money right away. So like your fast food or your Starbucks or whatever your Target runs, put it away in this fund so that it can kind of be something that is revolving. Like it can go out every month and be empty, and then you put more money into it. Kind of like a savings account, but something you're gonna use instead of something you're gonna leave in there to save and grow. The reason this is really good is because you say, okay, beginning of the month, I have $200 in my discretionary fund. This is the money that I go to that is outside of my budget, little things that happen that are outside of my budget, I can use this money that's in there. Number 5, avoid lifestyle matching. So we all know what lifestyle matching based on what it's called. Don't try to match somebody else's lifestyle because your salary might not match their salary. Keeping up with the Joneses is not something that you want to do because it's not going to help you save money or grow your money at all. It's just going to help you collect a lot of stuff or go on a lot of trips that you don't necessarily want to go on because you're trying to keep up with someone else. Number 6, this one is well within our power, but we don't think about it. It's reduce the amount of ads that you see. So if you're a type of person that sees ads and you have to have that item, you can pay to reduce the amount of ads that you see. In the long run, it'll save you money. So say, for example, YouTube Premium, I think, is like $12 a month or $7 a month, I don't know. But this reduces your ads and you can just watch videos without the ads. So if you're somebody who is really susceptible to marketing and you buy the things that you see on ads, this little $12 can save you a lot of money in the long run. And it's not just with YouTube, it's with all things that you can pay in order to avoid seeing the ads. Number 7, hide money from yourself. So no, I don't mean behind the toilet or under the mattress. I mean in different accounts that you don't really use. So if bank A is holding your checking account, then maybe bank B could have a few of your savings accounts and some of your sinking funds so that you can put those aside so you don't see them on a daily basis and they can just kind of grow and mature and just kind of be out of sight, out of mind for a little while. This really helps because if you're not always seeing that dollar amount, you don't mentally say, well, I still have this dollar amount available. You kind of just push it on the back burner and it's able to grow without you moving the money in and out. And my last one, never say never. So never say, I'm never gonna go on this cruise, or I'm never gonna buy this item, or I'm never gonna get this car, or whatever it is, because you're just gonna want it and think about it all the time. So say not right now. I'm not ready to buy that car right now, or I'm not ready to go on that cruise right now, but later I can do those things. That's another story for another day, because that'll help you save for it and grow your money and figure out the best way to kind of like fit this thing in your budget that you eventually want to do, to fit this big ticket item in your budget. So I hope these 8 tips helped you guys out. If you like content like this, go ahead and click the like button. If you are not subscribed already, go ahead and hit the bell icon and subscribe so that you get notified the next time I post a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.